Come along and grab a seat. There's a world of magic at your feet. For best friends with much to do, welcome to Bufometo.
Hey! What fun adventure do we have today? Let's spin the wheel and find out. Spin, spin, spin. Ooh, what did we get? Yay, it's craft time. I really like fishes. So, how about we make a beautiful fish from the underwater world? Let's dive in and create something amazing together. To build our underwater world, you'll need your magic tools. One colorful square of origami paper, a black marker, blue and green sketch pens, and a little bit of glue. Got everything? Great! Let's dive in. Step 1. The magic lines. First, take your paper and let's make some invisible paths. Fold it corner to corner to make a big X. Then fold it side to side to make a plus cross. Press down hard with your fingernails. Zip, zip, zip. Hey! I think I missed a few steps. Can you show me again? I want to check once more. The paper folding part is taking a bit of time, and I think that's where I got confused. Step 1. The magic lines. First, take your paper and let's make some invisible paths. Fold it corner to corner to make a big X. Then fold it side to side to make a plus cross. Press down hard with your fingernails. Zip, zip, zip. Look at all those guidelines. Step 2. The secret fold. Now, bring both edges into the center to meet like they're giving a hug. Here comes the cool part. We're going to fold it in a clockwise circle, just like a ticking clock. Pause for the tricky part. I know. This part is a little bit of a brain teaser, but don't worry, you are doing amazing. You've come so far, and we are almost at the finish line. You've got this. open up that third fold and bring it right to the top. Smooth it out. Shh. Step 3. Finding the fish. Now give it a little tuck and a fold, and look at that. Flippers and fins. Every fish needs to swim, right? Let's make the tail by folding these edges outward. Then find the center and fold back the fins, leaving just a tiny bit of space in the middle. It's starting to look like a fishy friend. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, ta-da! You just made a fish out of thin air.
Can we add a fish in the water too?
Step 5, bringing it to life. But wait, our fish needs to see where he's going. Grab your marker and give him a big happy eye and a cute little smiley face. Boop! There we go. I've even got a second fish friend here to join the party. Step 6, the ultimate aquarium. Now, let's give our fish a home. Glue your fish onto your paper. Stick, stick, stick. Use your green pen to grow some wavy seagrass at the bottom. And your blue pen to pop some tiny bubbles and crashing waves. Wow, look at that! You've created a beautiful, colorful aquarium. Your origami fish looks so happy in its new home. High five for being a master artist.
That was so fun to make. I really loved making it. Did you enjoy it too?